Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Renegade or Jeep Compass with the 2.4 engine guys and you're trying to replace your spark plugs, stay with us and we'll explain guys what needs to be done from start to finish to replace your spark plugs. Now, I'll definitely guys to recommend that to do it quite often. It says 100,000 miles in the manual. Usually we do it at between 50 and 60,000 miles. Or at least we remove to check the gap. Okay, and in today's video we'll share the gap, the torque specs, everything guys. If you need to buy new spark plugs, we have the link in the description of the video below. Check out where we get our parts from. As you can see, the engine is out. You do not have to remove your engine guys. Why we got it out? Because we'll be making at least 100 videos and that way we can show you with good detail where things are and how to remove them. Otherwise, if it's in the vehicle, it's practically impossible. In addition guys, quick introduction to the channel. Every car we get at the shop, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's explain what needs to be done to replace your spark plugs now. We'll demonstrate guys on one, but we'll explain the same procedure will be for all four of them. So no need to waste your time. Facing the engine that way, when you open the hood, that's what it looks like. You need to go ahead and remove that cover guys. This is your engine cover, so just grab it firmly, pull it. You have 4 bushings, rubber bushings. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those rubber bushings attach right here. You can see in these places. After that guys, if you need to replace only 2 spark plugs, you're lucky. Okay, in cylinder 1 and 2 you can do them pretty easy. 3 and 4 are under that thing, so we'll need to remove that intake pipe here. You will have guys, okay, your air filter box in the vehicle, so you need to go ahead and disconnect guys. Okay, you will need to disconnect that hose clamp right here. Just get it loose and pull the hose out. After that, right here guys, 10mm socket. Go ahead and remove that bolt. Here you're supposed to have one plastic clip that's broken in our case. You need a clip removal tool, and that clip looks just like this one, but it will be here. After that, you have one sensor for the intake temperature sensor. Press down here, pull it out. The only thing left now is the hose clamp, okay, for the throttle body guys, right there. Go ahead and remove it. Just get it loose, a couple revolutions usually, and pull that intake straight out. Perfect. Now that way you can reach all 4 ignition coils and the spark plugs are under the ignition coils. So we'll demonstrate on one of them guys. All of them are the same way. So you can see that red thing now right here on the ignition coil. You need to press it back. That's a safety pin. Push down here now and disconnect it. After that we need a 10mm socket and we need to go ahead, okay, and remove that bolt. From that point you will need to remove your ignition coil. Just pull it straight up. Perfect. Now we'll need a 5/8 socket guys for spark plugs. It has a rubber bushing that holds the spark plugs once you get it loose, and we're going to remove the spark plug. You can find the socket in the description of the video below. We'll have the links guys. We'll go ahead and remove it. Okay, awesome. So we got this one out. This is a spark plug guys. How you check the gap now on that spark plug? Check out guys, we have the link in the description of the video below where you can purchase one from. According to the manual, it should be 0.047 inches or 1.2 millimeters. We have the gauge right here. We'll have it in the link again, shared in the link guys. This is the gauge. You have the different thickness there. We have a 0.55 and 0.65 millimeter that makes 1.2. So checking it that way, okay, this is the perfect gap guys. We're still good to go on this one. We re-gapped them not too long ago on that engine, so it's still good. Now we need to get a torque wrench guys. Okay, we need to get a torque wrench to get it tight, and we'll explain the settings and all that stuff in just a second. So the torque wrench, according to what I found online guys, it needs to be 20 foot-pound for the 2.4 multi-air engine. 20 foot-pound. Okay, we have our set. We're going to lock it, okay, like that. You can see this is 20 foot-pound. Now if you need to buy a torque wrench, again, we'll share guys in the description of the video below where you can buy one from. Go ahead, install the spark plug by hand, and this is a click type wrench. Once you start applying pressure guys, and you reach the torque, you set it out, it's going to click, and you need to stop immediately, otherwise you will put more torque and it's not good. You can strip the cylinder head. Listen now. That's it guys, right there. So from that point on, all you have to do, put your ignition coil, okay, the other way around, and install the bolt, put everything together in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.